So if you want to get rid of any dark area in your body, your knuckles, especially your legs, you want to whiten up without, using lotion, these two products is what you need. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tina. I am back again with something nice and excited to share with you guys today. How you doing? Have you been? How was your week? Okay, so today I have something very good to share with you guys today. So today I will be talking about clean and clear whitening black soap. Just like the name said, I have opened it and I started applying. I will explain to you guys why my knuckles are that dark. I have something on there. So this is a soap right here. It's clean and clear. Nobody is selling this soap in the United States right now except for Moa. This is a new product that just came out. This product is fire. Oh my God, this product is so good. So if you want to get rid of any dark area in your body, your knuckles, especially your legs, you want to whiten up without, using lotion, these two products is what you need. You can see I still have the stuff in my hand. You see these two products is what you need right here. You need this oil and this soap to apply on your body. So let me finish. So this is my regular hand, okay, without the soap. See? So I will apply the soap now. See, it is getting a little darker. So this is it. You can see my other, still have the little right there. Now let me show you what you have to do, and then we'll talk more about the product. You take it, you apply on the area where you have your knuckle. You can apply this product all over your body. You can see my little finger. I still have the little knuckle right there. Apply it, apply it, apply it. Make sure you massage it in very well. After massaging, you can apply this product all over your body. It says for face and body, but me, I'm only using it for my body. I'm not applying it on my face. I'm using it only on my body, okay? Then I have apply right here on my elbow. Make sure you feed it a lot. Feed it enough. Okay? I still have a little dark spot. See my elbow? It's not clear the way I want it to be right here. It's not clear how I want it to be. You see my skin? So I do the same thing on this side too. Make sure you put enough, okay? When I'm done, showing you guys, I'll now explain about the product for you. Okay, so you see that? So after you're done applying this product all over your body, you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes, even more if you can hold it. Let it sit. So once you finish doing that, you see that? So you can see this is my natural. No, it's a little darker. I'm still struggling with this little part right here and in between my fingers right there. You can see that I'm still strong. So once you apply this, you massage it in very well. After massaging it, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. The instruction here says apply and let it sit on your body for 15 minutes before you wash off. But you know me, I always go beyond that. Yesterday I had it for it was 45 minutes before I took my shower. So once you finish applying this product all over your body, let it sit, wash off. This black soap is not one of those black soap that will leave your bathroom dirty or anything like that. Once you wash off, that's it. It's gone. This is it. It doesn't smell any different than the regular black soap, but this soap is very effective. If you know you do not want to be white, I beg you. You know that you don't want to be white. Like I said, I beg you, don't come and get this product. You see these two products? That's all you need. You don't need a body lotion. Just get this soap, this black soap. Get this oil, okay? This body oil. This is called LVP, glutathione, glutathione, 220 mg. Ultra strength talking oil, triple strength formulated, remove blemishes and keep your skin radiant. Like I said, if you have not believed me in anything I've sat here in 2 to 3 years to tell you about, believe me on this one. Go and get this product for yourself. Go and get this product for yourself. This black soap is off the chain. This black soap will leave your skin so flawless. When you step out, people are going to ask you, what do you have on your skin? Like, what are you using? Just these two. If you don't like applying lotion on your body, all you need is these two things. Okay? Use it twice a day. Come back here and thank me for a job well done. I'm sorry I look a hot mess today. So I've been running around. I woke up this morning. I had to drop the kids and all that. So I just came back. I was like, let me just do this video and get it out of the way. Because if I don't do it today, you guys will not have any video this week. So that's why you see me looking a hot mess. And when I'm done, I have to go shower anyway. So you apply it all over like I said. You see, let it sit. I need to put more on this side. Let it sit. Feed it well. Let it sit. After it sits on your body for 20. The directions say 15 minutes. But let it stay a little longer if you can bear it. If you are using any of your shower bath or shower gel or soap, you just run into the bathroom as if you're going through a car wash, you're not going to get that result that you're looking for. You need to let it sit a little bit on your body. Once it sits on your body, that way it will work, okay? If you just go into the shower, run water and put soap and get out, it's not going to work. It's not the same thing like if you run your car through a car wash and if you use your hand to wash your car. The difference is always going to be clear because you're doing detailing on the car. But if you're just running through wash, that machine is just doing whatever for you. And you go because you're in a hurry. You understand? So take your time. Apply this black soap on your body. Let it sit just the way the company have instructed. Use it. Come back and thank me. All right. Now this let me tell you what this soap will do. It's going to clear. It's called Clean and Clear. Okay. It's going to clear acne. It's going to clear pimples out of your face. It's going to take away wrinkles. It's going to help you with white patches. If you have white patches on your body, it's going to help take away those white patches. You know what? White patches and stretch marks are so difficult to get rid of once you have them on your skin. This is going to help you with that. It's going to strengthen, it's going to take away dark spots. Sorry about that. It's going to help you with stretch mark, like I mentioned earlier, and give your skin a complete whitening effect. You can use this twice a day. Okay, this oil is a talking oil that will help in taking care of any dark spots, hyperpigmentation, any blemishes you have on your body. Okay, it will help to fade out sunburn, dark spots, and so forth. So many things it will help you to get rid of. Trust me, go and use it. Come back and thank me. Like I said, nobody is selling this product here in the United States. I'm the first one to bring it here in the United States. You know, once I do a video, there are people who are sitting at the edge of their chair waiting to see the review that I will do so they can go and buy and put in their shop to sell. So go and get this thing. If you don't know the name, reach out to me. I will put it there, but I'm going to put the picture also on the thumbnail so you can see it, and the name will be there and instruction on how to use it, which I've already said earlier. All right. If you have not subscribed to my video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share this video, turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will not get to miss any of my. This looks so disgusting. Like staring at my fingers. so that any of the video I post, you will not miss any of my video, because they're going to be video coming back to back. Probably by next month, I'm going to be having 2-3 videos in a week. I'm working on it. Hopefully I can keep up. Okay, I don't want you guys to miss any good product out there in the market. All right, if you already have something that you're using that is working for you, please stick with it. Don't buy everything I'm making a review because I'm talking about it. Oh, Sina said it, let me go and get it. Please, if you're using a product and that product is giving you the result that you like, stay put with that product. But if you're looking for something to just change, you want to try something new, it is fine. But if you have money to buy, why not? Who am I to tell you not to buy? Come and buy. I need the money. You understand? All right, so I gotta go. You can see I'm having a little like acne here and there. I'm having like the ingrowth. I have hair on my face, so my face hair grow from inside. Before it comes out, it will leave me with like dark spots. That's something that I've been fighting with a lot. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm very soon I'll make a video of good face serums that you can use on your face to give your face a very brightening and flawless looking face. I like how my face is. I'm not wearing no makeup, nothing, and I'm still looking like this. I think I like it. It's nice, you know. It's really, really nice. So that's it. That is it for today. That is it for today. Buy this product. I am telling you, go and buy this product. Go and buy this product. Go and buy this product and use it on your body. Come back here and thank me. Tell me how beautiful I am. Tell me how wonderful I am for all this, you know, all this product that I'm introducing to you guys here every day. You guys know I will not come sit here and tell you something that will not work. I know money is hard to make. I want you to spend your money wisely, and every penny you spend, I want you to come, let it give you a result, okay? All right? I don't want you to regret buying anything from me. That's why I take my time to come out here to do videos. And before I come to sit here to do video, I want to make sure that product is good. Go and get this baby right here for you. Get this baby for you and get her, both of them, and use them on your skin. Come back and thank me. All right? Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a blessed week ahead of you. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Please, guys, watch my videos. Watch my video. The views are very low. You guys are not encouraging me. If you don't keep encouraging me, I'm going to stop making videos. And then a lot of people are going to be missing out on products because most people don't have my number saved on their WhatsApp status. If you have my number saved on your WhatsApp status, you're going to be seeing I'm posting products on a daily basis on my WhatsApp status. So most of my customers buy products even before I come and do review on them. That's why sometimes when you go, I will say, oh, I'm out of stock. Because people who have saved my number are watching my WhatsApp status. They are seeing how I'm posting back to back, back to back. So they are seeing everything. Please, I need to put on this side now. My hands is dark. Please watch videos, watch my videos, and save my number on your WhatsApp so you can be seeing all the posting that I'll be posting back to back to back. There are products that I will have installed that don't make it to my video. They will be out. Please watch and save this number and go through my WhatsApp status to see new products that are being posted every day. All right, guys. And don't forget to follow us. Also, follow me on all my social media handles, please. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please. Don't forget, all the handles will be posted on the video so you can go there and follow me. Please, guys. I beg you. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. Mwah.